I have to admit it, it was a horrible idea. Now I have glass all over my desk and on the floor. I have to vacuum immediately. But first, I want to show you what I achieved. So I broke off the bulb relatively clearly. So I had that hole and I kept picking at it with, where is it? This saw blade. So I would just put one tooth into the hole and pull back and up gently, and that slowly broke parts of the glass. The glass didn't jump all over the place. I kept pulling it back, and larger and larger parts kept breaking off, and until I broke off the whole thing. And then I took some pliers. Where are the pliers? You can use any pliers, not this specific type. I used this one, but that just because it was handy. You can use any pliers to slowly break off the small pieces gently, so the glass won't fly all over the place. So yeah, I managed to do this, and what I observed is that these LEDs, how can I show you, have a round back and a flatter front, and the front is illuminated, the back is not. So now I will bend all the LEDs to face one direction. So why did they do it like this? This is interesting. They didn't put them in 4 directions. 2 are facing one way and the other 2 the other way. I thought they were gonna face one in each direction. That's interesting. But why? Then it's not distributed evenly. Weird. But my job is then easier, I think. I'll just bend this. Oh. Very gently. If I break it, you know that you shouldn't do it like this. So let me get some tools here. What can I do it with more easily? So ideally I would bend this part back 90 degrees. So this one, I started bending this one. Easy. Like that. Look. So now both are in one direction. And now I'll have to bend the other one. This one basically the same way. But this will be in the back somehow. So it will be looking out between those. Does it matter? I don't think it matters. Because I want this to be an outside light. Lighting up on the side of the house. The walkway, or what do you call it? And if it will be like this, then it will light up the side of the house. It won't not in the front, not in the back, just down and sideways. At least that's what I hope. So these two are facing me, but it's not ideal. They didn't they could have welded this one a bit further on the edge here. This is too close. I have to bend it some more, but gently, because these are fragile, these stupid things. Like that. Like that. Maybe a bit more. Yeah, I think it's all right. Oh, I can move them a bit sideways. I mean up and down. It doesn't matter if they are a few millimeters higher or lower. So yeah, that doesn't matter. So let's bend this one. And this will be under everything here. Like that. Okay. They are all in one direction except for this one. I have to open it some more like that. Okay. And these are all the backs. And these are all the LEDs. This is not optimal. But I think it's much better than having to put a lampshade on and try to guide the light that way. That is harder, I think. So let me try to show you how it looks. I have to unscrew here something. Oh yeah. Well, maybe I'll make another video. But for now, here it is. The back and the front. Mission successful.